This is the part where I said that you gotta learn how to apologize. So I knew I lost a client. What's up? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are cutting on. Well, today I wanted to talk to you about an important part of your business, especially if you're trying to grow your business, and that is apologizing. This is a big part of your business. Good customer service, cutting grass, all that is a no-brainer. That's something you want to do. But apologizing is something, if you're trying to grow your business, you might want to put it in your repertoire. Meaning that you're not always going to get it right. So, case in point, had a situation where a client literally texted me the night before and asked me, hey, make sure your guys lock the gate. Last couple of times they came through, left the gate open. We already know about my dog situation, guys. You already know about it. If not, please check the video out because it's not good. But anyway, so lo and behold, I get a phone call, or should I say a text the next day. The client was really understandably disappointed. Not only was he disappointed in the service, but he also was disappointed that we left the gate open again. And I do use the word again. Left the doggone thing open, man. But one of the things that I have to understand is that I can't get frustrated. So he said, hey, immediately terminate my services with you guys. I'm through with you. And you really didn't cut my yard really good either. So I understood it. This is the part where I said that you gotta learn how to apologize. So I knew I lost a client, so I didn't want to get no hits on my reviews because I pride myself in good customer service, man. So I called him up and basically I left a voicemail because he didn't pick up. I said, hey, just want to apologize for leaving your gate open again. I truly understand your frustration, and I understand why you want to counsel us as your service provider. However, you also said that the yard wasn't done to your satisfaction. Please allow us to come back out to cut the yard, get it to your satisfaction, and then we'll just hopefully you find someone that can suit your needs. So I left that message, right? And I was hoping that he'd call back, and he did. He called back, and pretty much I told him, hey, just thanks for calling back. I want to openly apologize for leaving your gate open again. And I said, I definitely understand your frustration. And he repeated himself. One thing, guys, let them talk. Let them talk. Let them share how they're feeling about it. Because at the end of the day, I say to them, hey, that is not my goal to come out there to frustrate you. I do got some guys working, but I definitely understand how you feel. And I said, also, you mentioned that you wasn't satisfied with the last couple of services. He said, yeah, y'all came out and you cut my yard when it was wet. And I said, yes, definitely understand that. I said, well, let us come out, cut it for the last time. We'll make sure that it's nice and dry that day. And, you just find a more suitable service provider for you. Now, this wasn't no trick to get them back. I was really serious about, just cutting it one time and be done with it. But he said, you know what, man, the fact that you called me back and I accepted that it was our fault, our responsibility. And it's true. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it doesn't mean that my guys ain't gonna go out there and make the same mistake. What I try to explain to people is that, hey, sometimes we're gonna drop the ball. We're gonna drop the ball, man, and I hate it. I hate it, and I hate it, and I drill my guys, and truth be told, it ain't just the regular workers. You know what I'm saying? We do it too. Not me personally, but someone who I would expect to never have to repeat this to has done it, and done it more than once. One of the things that I know about the whole thing is that you're gonna lose some clients in this business, and it's gonna be because you did not do something the correct way. And I'm not saying you personally, but I'm saying some guys that may work for you. And if your answer is just find someone to replace them, it's easier said than done. You hadn't done it long enough. And if you have done it long enough, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You're not just making this stuff up. So fam, I apologize. Go ahead, work on it. I apologize. Don't say I'm sorry, because I think sorry sometimes backfire. Because sorry can be looked at as, yeah, you are sorry, but you don't want that. I apologize, and own it, and then see what you can do to fix it. So later on, if they ever come, need someone, because I guarantee you, it's some cats out there that are gonna be doing the exact same thing. They're gonna have times of messing up, because I tell you, when I explained to him that I don't want to cut his grass when it's wet, I don't want to. But I have an option. Here's the option. Option number one, I don't cut your grass, and I have to skip it, and then it gets overgrown, and then I have to come in and cut it. What I'm trying to do is make sure I can at least keep it manageable, and then on the really good days, sunny days, we'll hot dog it. But other than that, I don't want to make people believe that every time you get out there that it's going to be immaculate. And that's some of the things that I have to work on as a business owner, getting my guys up to par. But at the end of the day, I tell them, if something is not right, I'll pick up the phone and I'll call you back, and I'll go back out and try to get it right. So hope you learned something, fam, on this one, because please learn from my mistakes. It's easier said than done. I apologize. And listen, please like and subscribe to the video. Give it a thumbs up so it can be relevant. I really think that a lot of things that I say has some good content, and it can help a lot of people. So share the love by sharing this video. Also, fam, man, if you hadn't started lawn care, you need to do it now. This is an essential business. So whatever's going on, COVID-19, unless the world comes to the end, we're going to be cutting grass till the end of this bad boy. So, man, cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.